reaction video. I'm going to be doing a Nerf war with my aunt and my uncle. So, yeah. Yeah, I have, this is, Ty's. It's not mine. I'm just going to say that. Tyler, I'm using some of your bullets. Don't get mad at me. Okay, so, yeah, this is my gun. Yeah. This is ammo. This is my ammo, and this is extra, just in case. So yeah, I just want to show you that. So yeah, I will be right back at my army clothes of doom. Okay, I'm back. As you saw stuff here, that was just food. I have a little bumps, but yeah. Okay, so it's me. Yep. So, just loaded. Should I get another gun? I think I should get one. I'll be right back once again. I'm back, and this is my sniper. So, got my bullets. Got a couple of them. This is my first Nerf war, so just lock and loaded, baby. Woo! Put these in my pocket. What the heck is this? Like, I never had that in my pocket. It's one of those things that you put in the little. So, yeah. This is my house. Okay. My mom's done the dishes. John, I have a little baby brother. Say hi, John. Say hi. Is that you? Is that you? Say hi. Don't look at me. That's my little brother. It's okay. Now, don't cry. Okay? Okay. I have to count them, make sure it's right. So. 18, 12 in there. Got a couple bullets. So yeah. Tyler, I'm gonna be using some of your bullets if you're watching this. In my don't worry. There is some bullets in my house, but I will find them for you, okay? Okay. Ty's my friend. His YouTube channel, once again, is Lauren Herman. You'll see me and him. If you see me, that's who cares? I'll show you. You saw him in the first video of number 1. I just got back from church. So yeah, I'm ready. We'll be back with the second video of Nerf water. So, what to do? I have an Xbox 362. Do that later. Okay, they are almost here. What time is it? It's 12:55. They should be here in like, let's see here, 5 minutes now. Oh, matter of fact, here they are right now. Be right back. Okay, they're getting ready. Wait, are they here? Oh, no. That's not them. Dang it. I thought that was them. Dang nabbit. Like, alright, they should be here soon. If you don't know what psych means, it means that somebody's joking. And Clash of Clans, my name is New Queen Boss. New Queen Boss. I know why you're guessing it's Queen, because New King Boss would make more sense. Okay. I just named it New Queen Boss, so. My clan name is, well, wait, what? I'm in the, Champions. No, not Champions. Crystal League. Yeah. Crystal League number 1. Number 1. So, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm back. So, we will be back with the second video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Give a thumbs up because, well, just give thumbs down if you don't, because it's just really. And if you do not subscribe, you better subscribe me. I'll beat the crap out of you. It's like, just subscribe at least. Give thumbs down or subscribe, thumbs up. Okay, well, we'll be back with the second video. And peace out. Yeah. Peace out.